Hi guys, sorry I haven't posted for a while. My phone ended up breaking. I got a new phone, but I've just been so busy and just exhausted. But anyway, I came out to the woods to check on this. You can see this crystal profile. It's still standing in its perfect spot. And it has like some really cool, like I can see an evil looking face, like here, there's his mouth, his nose, his eyes. But then I can also see a face here where that's his profile, his eye, his nose, and like his headdress goes up like that. And then I also see like a skull, a helmet there, and like I also see like a guy here and here. It's like covered in them. But again, I also see this profile, nose. But look at what happened like right next to it. He's perfectly fine, but a freaking, like you can see here, where the trees broke. Whoops. Like I said, new phone. Sorry, guys. Look, a tree broke across the path. Oh man, I feel like I don't know. It's almost like he's saying, like, "Thou shalt not cross," or whatever. "Thou shalt, shall not pass." You know, that thing that you should not pass. Because that guy's fine on top of that one that I put there. Like, look, there's more rocks. Like, that's a big mound, man. And it's also covered in berries. Pretty soon, like, there will be all berries here. But is that not amazing? I just find that so cool. That these trees fell. But he's still standing. Oh, wow. So cool.